Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to approve or deny a work schedule change request through OnBase. We're going to log into the OnBase web client using the link in your email, go to your workflows, and either approve or deny your work schedule change. That's all it is. I'll also show you how to approve a request using the OnBase Unity client if you have that installed. Ready? Let's go through it step by step. When a timekeeper submits a work schedule change form, the manager receives an email with instructions on how to approve it. Follow the link to log into the OnBase web client. It should be the same login as your portal. If your normal credentials don't work, you may need to contact IT. If you have a pop-up blocker, you'll need to allow pop-ups from this site. I'm using Google Chrome right now. If you have problems viewing pop-ups with your default browser, try using a different browser, like Chrome. Now, this is the OnBase web client. We're going to click the menu to the upper left, then open Workflow. To the left, you should see HRWSC Work Schedule Change. If you don't see it, and you did receive an email for a work schedule change submission, you need to contact hrdocuments at CSUN.edu to get access. Make sure this work schedule change lifecycle is expanded with the little arrow pointing down. We're going to go to the HRWSC Manager Approval queue. You'll see a list of work schedule changes for you specifically to approve. If your window opens small, you can use the borders to resize them. Let's make this a little bigger. That's better. Let's review the submission. It looks like it's for Maddie Matador, going on a 4/10 Tuesday through Friday schedule, starting March 3rd, a Sunday. Then, on May 26th, that's a Sunday, he's returning to standard. That looks about right, so I'm going to continue. This was filled out by Timmy Timekeeper, so if I have any questions, I should go to him. Here's the approvals section, which should have the information of the manager. The action and action date fields are blank because I haven't done anything. At the bottom, there's also a section for HR/payroll processing, but I don't have to worry about that. Everything looks good on the form, so I'm going to approve it. You'll notice these buttons at the top, HRWSC Approve and HRWSC Deny. This one looks good, so let's approve it. Once you approve a request, it gets removed from your queue. It's gone to payroll for processing. When payroll processes the request, the timekeeper, manager, and employee get an email saying the work schedule change has been processed. The completed form will be included in the email as an attachment, and it may have multiple pages. Let's look at this request. Timmy submitted a duplicate request, so let's go ahead and deny it. There we go. Be careful about the deny button. If you accidentally deny a request when you meant to approve it, the submitter will need to submit a new work schedule change request. Now, the OnBase web client is one of two ways to get into OnBase. If you have the Unity client installed, you can also access your workflow queues from there. Open the Unity client and log into OnBase. From the Home tab, go to Workflow. On the left, you should see HRWSC Work Schedule Change. Expand it, then go to HRWSC Manager Approval. Again, if you don't see these queues, you need to contact hrdocuments at CSUN.edu about getting permission. We can use the borders to change the size of our windows. Now, just like in the web client, you'll see a list of those awaiting your action. You can review these forms, then click on Approve or Deny. To the left, you'll notice a number next to each queue. These tell me how many work schedule changes are awaiting my action. This 1 means I have 1 work schedule change to approve. That's something the OnBase web client doesn't have. When I deny this request, it gets removed, and now Manager Approval queue says 0. That's it. We're done. To review, all you need to do is log into OnBase using the web client or Unity client, go to Workflow, find the work schedule change lifecycle, go to the Manager Approval queue, then approve or deny the request. If you have any other questions, email hrdocuments@csun.edu. Thanks for watching.